Hi guys, here's BSC. Today I will introduce this temperate range IPS touchscreen special for Toyota Corolla 2019 to 2022 years. Okay, let me unbox review. It's Android Levin system. This is box, champagne box. This is Campbell's and special honeys. This head unit. Let me show honeys and Campbell's first. You can check this special honeys for Toyota Corolla 2019 to 2022 years. This CAN-bus decoder box come with head unit together, and this connect to our back of head unit. This radio antenna, you can check this radio antenna, and power speaker. This power speaker, and there are two camera input, and this steering wheel controls and audio. Okay, you can check this AUX input, and power cable. And this amplifier, 12 voltage wire. Okay, this GND wire, and there are these two camera input, camera adapter. Okay. And this 4G antenna connects on back of head unit. This 4G antenna, and this and 4G antenna. This SIM card slot. This 4G antenna. This GPS antenna. GPS. And this video out, USB video out. This is original USB. There are two USB cable and external microphone. This connect back for hidden unit. And this camera input. And this audio cable, this subwoofer, this audio out front and rear, left and right. This subwoofer you can check. AC type. And this video input, AUX input left and right. This video input. Okay. Okay, let me show head unit. Okay, you can check the side and black piano you can check. Okay, this back of head unit, this radio antenna, 4G antenna, GPS antenna, audio and other USB connection, this power, this fuse. Okay, Okay, let me connect power with 12 voltage. Okay, the head unit will be started. Something here. Okay, you can check. This front rear system. Okay, this template 1-inch. You can build in the microphone reset hole. This home volume button. This volume. Okay. Please take out this screen protector before using. Okay. This taskbar. And this same style. You check the settings and this Wi-Fi. You can connect the Wi-Fi. And you can visit our website belsee.com, BELSEE.com, and you also can check the display theme style. This 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 total 8 theme style. And let me check this Wi-Fi. Theme style. Theme style 4. You can change the color with red, blue, any color you can adjust this panel. Okay, and display theme style, you can choose the theme style 1. Okay, let me check this car information. And this auto link for wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. And this Play Store, you can download the applications from it, and the user manual already built in the instruction. You can check If you have any more questions, you can visit these instructions already built in the head unit. This DSP amplifier. Okay, let me check the settings. Android 11 system. Okay. And let me check the memory. You can check 8GB. Storage, total 128GB. What device? This is factory settings. And please check this brake set with 0 and save. If you note you can't watch video, now we choose the display, theme style, full. And very fast response. You can check this our website. If you have any more questions, please visit this crystal gear shift knob. Okay, that's all. Thank you.